OEM FIT Over time the factory rear latch handle fails and can be annoying to fix. Our handle have undergone a rigorous testing to ensure proper operating parameters to factory specification, exactly OEM design to replace your defective latch door handle. Premium quality long lifespan matters, that is why our tailgate handle and tailgate handle bezel is crafted from custom-made reinforced plastic and surface treated to create anticaustic textured surface to severe weather conditions and years of handling. Fits 1999 to 2006 Chevy Silverado 1500, 2001 to 2006 Silverado 1500 HD 2500 HD 3500, 1999 to 2004 Silverado 2500, 2007 Silverado 1500, 1500 HD 2500 HD 3500 Classic, 1999 to 2006 GMC Sierra 1500, 01, 06 Sierra 1500 HD 2500 HD 3500, 9904 Sierra 2500, 07 Sierra 1500, 1500 HD 2500 HD 3500 Classic. Replace OE number 15,997,911, 15,228,539, 15,228,541, 15,228,540, GM 1915105, GM 1916102, 15,188,001, 77,488. The tailgate latch handle have endurance pull validation tests to guarantee long-term dependability and increased rigidity. 24 month warranty. If the rear tailgate door handle fails, cracks, stops working or any other problems, you can contact us through Amazon message to apply the service of carefree replacement or refund. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent product. I am very happy with this product. It was very easy to install and I am not a big handyman either. I highly recommend this tailgate handle to anybody that needs one. Very well built.